Shannon Staley and Sons, time tracking and field notes using mHelpDesk. Use the app to check your assignment for the day, clock in and out of work each day, and to record your field notes at the end of day. How to check your job assignment. You will want to check your job assignment at the end of each day for the next day. Open the app. Wait for it to sync and download. This may take a while, so give it time. If you are not clocked in, the app will ask you if you want to clock in. Click No unless you are at the job site and about to begin work. The app will open by default on today's schedule. Swipe left to see tomorrow's assignment. Click anywhere on the colored area to see the job details. The job summary will display. Click on the green View Job button. The job detail screen will display. Use this to review contact information, get driving directions, and read instructions from the client or the division manager. To get directions, click the Map button and Google Maps will open. In order to see the notes from your field coordinator, division manager, or the project manager, scroll to directly below the Address and Map button. Each project will have a different name. Click on the bar. You will see the type of work, RCIS, daily rate, CSS core, etc. You will also read today's tasks. Scroll down to see your field coordinator's name and phone number, the job address. The job address is especially important if we have used GPS coordinates for the map. The general scope of work and the tools required are also in the other information below today's tasks. Review these notes so you can arrive prepared to your assignment. Do not add anything to these notes and do not save. Return to the previous screen using the back arrow. You can close out of the app after you have reviewed your assignment. Clock in at the job site. Arrive at the job site 10 minutes before your scheduled start time to clock in. Open the app. Wait for it to sync and download. The app will prompt you to clock in. Click Yes only if you are already at the job site. The app will record your location at the time of clock-in. If you are not going to arrive on time, you must contact the homeowner or project manager to let them know. To double check that you are clocked in, make sure that the little stopwatch icon is red. If it is red, you are clocked in. If it is green, you are not clocked in. If you want, you can close out of the app and now only open it at the end of your workday. Record your field notes and clock out at the end of the day. Open the app and make sure it has time to fully download. View today's schedule and click on the colored area. Click View Job. Scroll to Items. Click on the Items bar. The job may already have field notes from other days or other craftsmen. If so, click on the green plus button. Click on the item type. This is usually one of RCIS fixed cost labor, apprenticeship labor, or core labor. Scroll down to see all of the different item types, including non-billable time, holiday, PTO, and vacation time. Once you have selected the appropriate item type, a screen will appear where you record your field notes. Please note, this is the only screen on the app where you should be recording information. Ignore duration, staff, and rate. Do not enter or change anything in these fields. Scroll down to the Notes section. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will tell you what to enter. the date, your name, start and end time. For CSS, you will also be prompted to add the lot number or the address of the job. Enter your field notes. Below the field notes, you will see the quality protocols. Answer each one truthfully. Make sure the date on your field notes is correct. The app will default to today's date. If you are entering field notes that are not for today's job, you must take an extra step. Click on the small Show More option button right below the field notes. Add the date you actually worked. If you add field notes the same day you work, you will not have to do this, and it will save time. Scroll down to double check that the date in your field notes is the same as the date in the app. Remember to click Save. You may want to double check that your field notes have in fact been saved in the app. You must clock out at the end of your workday at the job site. Click on the red stopwatch icon. The app will ask you if you would like to clock out. It will record your location at time of clock out. Make sure you are still at the job site when you clock out. To check your time for the day or week, go to the More button at the bottom of your screen. Click on Timesheets. You will see the total times for the week. You can look at each day individually, and you can check last week. You are responsible for making sure that your timesheet is correct. If you have forgotten to clock in or out, you must contact your field coordinator by Monday morning of each week. When you have finished recording your field notes and have clocked out for the day, you may close your app to save battery and data. Why do all this work? You need to clock in and out at the job site to make sure you get paid. Your field notes flow directly into the Shannon's Daily invoices. This detailed reporting and attention to detail in our invoicing is one of the many reasons our clients choose us. This is one example of what sets Shannon's Daily apart from our competitors. Thank you for working with us to help make Shannon's Daily a success.